Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate Team. We're at 8910 Lewis Court in Gores Landing. This charming 3-bedroom bungalow is situated on a half-acre lot. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the updated kitchen, open to the dining and living areas. There are 3 bright and spacious bedrooms on the main level. And a renovated 4-piece bath. The lower level has a 3-piece bath and a lot of space ready for finishing. You will enjoy sitting on your private back deck.